Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Sharma and my roll number is 21HS10009 and I am from section 14. So for DIY assignment 1, I have made a Lego piece. Basically this is the whole structure of my DIY assignment. I'm going to explain about it. First of all, I basically created a rectangle in the XY plane of dimensions measuring 50 by 25 mm. Then I selected the pad option there for the padding purposes, so that it would look like a cuboid. The height that I have selected was 12 mm, so that then what I have done, I have created small circles over the surface in order to create the coupling for the Lego piece, so that it would like this, so that it would look like this. And then I have created here 8 circles over this. The whole preview would look like this. Here we can see the cavity which we have created using that. Now I have also created the small circles here in order for the back side clipping, and then I have selected the side as per accordingly the depth of the cuboid from the front like this, and from the back it would look like this. I save this file by using in the form of STL through the FreeCAD, and then so I have saved the file in the documents by the name of Lego. Here it is, open with Ultimaker Cura. So once open the Ultimaker Cura, it would look like this. We can have the preview of this Lego piece. I'll go to these slides and then select the fast option. All other settings are already in the default, that we not to bother about. Then cross it, and here we can see blue bar. Click on the slice. A slicing method is preparing. Now let us wait for getting slice. It will show us the time. So here we can see it would take the time 53 minutes to get one. Let us click preview here to get it saved more better. Here we can see the video preview, how it will look like. The preview we can check here also. Thank you very much.